All right, here we are, week one of Hexter 6 of chemistry, last Hexter of the school year. So we're going to be busy getting after it. Let's start with our discussion post. There'll be an observational discussion post here. For your discussion post, it says write down 2 observations and 2 questions from the picture. Okay, make sure you get those done. They are an efficient way to get 10 points. Then we have our thermochemistry video. We're talking about thermochemistry for the week or so. And watch this video. Be ready to answer a few questions. There's a video worksheet assignment right here. And the questions are pretty much right in order of the video. And you're told when, at roughly what point the questions show up. So let's get that done. Then there is a lab on thermodynamics featuring endothermic and exothermic reactions. Start to get the feel for those. Okay, that's it for the week. Let's have a strong start, and you guys have a great week.